Khasi Students Union, Nong Thamai Circle, had hosted the Susatham Academic Award on the 22nd of January 2025 to honor students excelling in academics and sports at various levels. The event celebrated the achievements of individuals from Nong Thamai who brought pride to the community. Prominent guests included Northeast Students Organization Chairman Samuel P. Jirwa as the chief guest, former KSU Central Executive Committee Vice President Shemphang Langlingdo as the guest of honor, and Professor Frederick Lamare as a special guest. Dignitaries such as Dr. Jeminu Mautho, Panyat Singh's Aim, Alan V. Lingdo, Desmond Maulong, community leaders and local residents were also present. Eric Nongkanri, the president of the KSU Nong Thamai Circle, expressed gratitude to the members for successfully organizing the event. Overwhelmed with emotion, he shared that the program fulfilled his aspiration to recognize and honor the hard work of students. Speakers at the event applauded the KSU for initiating this inspiring program, which serves as motivation for students to strive for excellence in academics and sports. They also encouraged students to aim for prestigious roles in fields like the IAS, other civil services examinations, and other significant areas of public service. Parents were urged to support their children in pursuing education and to guide them away from negative influences prevalent in the state. The ceremony recognized 19 SSLC achievers, 10 HSSLC toppers, 3 graduates, 15 postgraduates, and 1 individual who completed a PhD.
Lemon bahagi syuting, lemon bahagi syuting. Kan sana, auxilium girl saya. Hadirin jemaah mada, Nio Saju, Naya Jessica Marwanya, Naya Hambok Ansuri Khabah, Hambok Ansuri Khabah. Ini rukian itu Paimon School 87%. Caroline Diana Tunggu Paimon School 87%. Nikah saya yang berpenampilan di terminal Karapido juga dengan Esakawati Dijo Esakawati
ki khana samla wamenta thamsung thu ha ke gi jinge ki bagya kendo nakawi nakani ka sngi hakini ka por ka wamenta ka por ka kelas tet nakawi ka sngi syakawi pat bar ka jingkala ka step ha teng teng empat suthul sau khamtam ka teknologi kombolong mentale teng teng ya kawi pas suhu ha lami sakawi kawai pasal tu bah lami sekawai kata kacing step cong kacing kala kelajur hadu kata-kata teng-teng kisamlah isnei ki kulumar jibut bat teng-teng hipoi siya kalenti ke bawah kala ngakan mau hipor robin chuang siya keren hipor lok bakacing kala kasuki bah hai hipor robin chuang ring alap lu Islam ndai pulai ndai pusau seneng kacing kala kaya step nakawi ke por sekawai pak Hakiporo mencuala dengan pas matrik, ini pas PU kata kelas 12 mencuali orang pas PU ini pre university. Dan ini pas matrik yang Islam lagi sekolah New Sanho Sanbusan dan Rupo. Sesujiat ke kelas ke college ke ini Fikwa asal ni suyo, Fikwa asal elemen suyo. Kena kebakan ini college Saint Mary's Rupiyo, Lady King Rupiyo, Tal Rupiyo Sanbusan Rupo. Rimenta na ya iki bun stem di post na menta rada femio hi iki prapo ki nyu pra ki prapo seneng bapinwat ki college ki class 11 class 12 menta hai santni sedaman sekolah ko bae ado kata-kata te kata di jingkela ka ba ngi ka ba ya hakini ki poro menta baka jingele ka ji kun ka competition ka long step ado kata-kata teng-teng tang 10% tu kelai fair iban yo balik pulih bagi bom yo balik pulih tang 10% tu kalau long gaji fair ka bobon ha hakan ni ka perthai hakan ni ka por bo menta bat kisam la puli teng asyik perhat masuk sedih bagi hapannya trace tom mentah dari kikuat pan pas di exam sekhmat bikin yo kita ke entrance exam bikin laban lepai kita ke entrance exam ciki bikin job hapannya trace tom ha haban dia durut doyak doim kenang bin pois yang tak thong jangan cik job re haju poru kai rapat penting ya kata kalong renyeng ke jongki kai rapat pen klan ya kalong renyeng ke jongki ada yang kendu cik hatian hagi lu ini poru kilala kan le persyak dan cik marulai banadu ke por sedang samla bladon lupa tak cing trish tom jongki kediri ke por ke ba pilah jam uwe senjam ikna keberang dak ya ke SSLC ya ke HSSLC kare ke cing sedang jong ke cing puli jopi barngai baka ki isyong my circle how is namru kan ko aban ibiang yapi ba fin don dengan ka hall ba fin yo biang ka award ikan ka academic award dan ka husna ka ba fin i ba pilai trisitom biang haunus namru la yo biang ka award hawai pat snam dan hawai pat snam ubar markatai kan peni baka jing beteng jopi ban tristom na kawai ka por sa kawai pat